Melissa Bubbles and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would bring you something a little bit exciting. I got to borrow these from work. So these come out today. So I thought I would show you. They are for the Celebrate Valentine's Day. They're the Essential gift box. I'll show you the catalogue. If you didn't know, I work at Priceline, and this week they've got an Essentials gift box. So if you spend $39 on or more on participating brands, which the brands are actually right here. So there's Earthique, Asano, Cottons, Palmer's, Aiken, Sukin, L'Oreal, Lady Jane and OGX. So if you spend $39 or more on those brands, you get to choose one of these boxes. So I got to borrow these from work, so I get to show you what's in the boxes. I had a sneaky peek already and they're pretty good. So I want to start with the natural box. So it's the Naturally Inspired Essentials box. It comes with this cute little cover. Just slips off. How cute is that? And this is the box. And you open it up. Can't find the thing. Alright, so you open it up and you get a box of goodies. So the first thing in the box that I'm just going to pick out random stuff is a John Frieda Sheer Blonde Highlight Activating Shampoo and Conditioner Sachet. Then this excites me because I really want to try one of these. It's a charcoal with citrus oil from Husk Deep Purifying Conditioner. So it's a full size of a hair mask. You've got two products from Earthique. You've got the Guardian Solid Conditioner Sample and Pinkalicious Solid Shampoo Sample. So those are cute there. You've got Cotton's Overnight Pad. You've got Lady Jane Style Guards. I do love these. They are really comfortable to wear in the hair, and it's just really easy to put them in and take them out. The next thing we have, this is new, I haven't seen this before. Natural Fusions by Palmer's Micellar Rose Water Cleanser, Clarifying Shampoo, and Lavender Rose Water Conditioner Hydrating Repair. That actually looks really good. So you get a sachet of each in that. The next thing I'm picking up is an Extraordinary Clay Mask from L'Oreal. This is all hair stuff. So a hair clay mask, which looks really good. You could use that like twice. Yeah, good size. It's like the size of my head. You do get a coupon. You get a free Selfie Chroma color. So you just bring that into store and pick your color. We have an Orchid Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. I love this brand, the OGX Shampoo and Conditioners. So you get a sachet of each. It's natural and really nice too. I like Asano. So this is a micellar and rose water gentle cleansing shampoo. You get a cute little sample of that. You get a lot in these boxes. Alright, so what else do we have? So you get a Natural Balance shampoo and conditioner in Sukin. One of each of those. You also get, I'll show you this one, a coconut water shampoo from the brand that I like. And you also get a natural deodorant from Aiken, That's a cute little travel size. So you can just chuck that in your bag and go. You get another Husk deep conditioner. I do like this brand, it's really good. This is the argan oil from Morocco. You get a full sachet of that. What else do we have in here? And one last thing, you get a Sukin new and improved hair care range. So they're showing you the new and improved hair care range, and it says you get $10 off when you purchase any 2 Sukin shampoo or conditioner, 500ml or 1 litre in one transaction. So there you go. And that's the naturally, what's it called? Naturally inspired box. I like that one. Maybe I'll get I'll buy some stuff so I can get this one. Who would just do that? Just buy stuff so you can get the box? That's me. Alright. So we'll put that back together. And it's a really cute box. Like, I mean, you could reuse this. Really cute. Alright, and the next box I want to show you is the signature box. And this one's a little bit heavier than the naturally inspired box. So let's have a look. So it's the same brands. You get to choose either one. So that's what it looks like. And we'll open it up. Whoa, this one's full. Alright, choosing at random again. So you get the Frank Provost, I don't know how to say it, shampoo and conditioner, little sachets. And these are silicone free. Silicone, paraben and sulfate free. Sulfate. Always look for the silicone free ones. Alright, you get a Head and Shoulders Clean and Balanced 200ml. Now you get the shampoo and conditioner. It's good. You get the same clay mask as you did in the other one from L'Oreal. Ooh, you get a toothpaste. So you get a white glow in this one. You also get a Pantene foam conditioner. There you go, that's full size. You also get a FemFresh 10 Freshening Soothing Wipes. So if you're a lady, you'll know what that's for. You also get a Batiste Dry Shampoo. Little sample there. That's actually the travel size, so that's a good one to chuck in your bag. Gotta love that dry shampoo. You get a Smooth and Shine multi-style brush, so good travel size brush. They always come in handy. You get a coconut water shampoo, same as the other box. You get a Biotine Dry Mouth Relief mouthwash. It's a cute little traveler size. Oh, I haven't seen these before. Alright, so you get a Daily Naturals All Australian Leave-In Mask Treatment and Ends Sealer. So that's those two. So these boxes are actually good because you get to try a few things that you wouldn't normally know of or see. So that's good. There's also a John Frieda Frizz Ease Secret Weapon Frizzing Cream. It's good for my mop. Now we're down to the coupon things. This is the Crema hair. You get one of those for free. This is just some advertising for the Daily Naturals. Their packaging looks really pretty. So they're all Australian and 100% vegan. So that's good. It's coming to Priceline in April. There you go. That's why I haven't seen it yet. And there's a little card telling you about the Models Prefer brushes. So that's a pretty good box. So out of the 2 boxes, I'm not sure which one I would get. Like, probably I would go the naturally inspired, because this one does have, like, it's more animal friendly, and it has thought about like natural things, and I'm trying to lean towards the natural things, even though this one has more in it, this box here, but they're both beautiful boxes. I mean, so I don't know which one to choose. Maybe I'll just have to spend more money. Anyway, so don't forget, it starts today. While stocks last in your store, you have to spend $39 on any one of these brands here: Earthika, Sano, Cottons, Palmer's, Aiken, Sukin, L'Oreal, Lady Jane, and OGX, to get yourself one of these boxes. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to get one of these boxes. I want to know which one you're going to choose. Maybe it'll help my decision. So if you want to come and visit me, I'm at the Churnside store in Victoria, so make sure you come and say hi. And also the skincare sale up to 50% is starting tomorrow as well, going from today, tomorrow, and Saturday is the last day, so make sure you come and check that out. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.